me ask you to do something. Will you take your bag and open it up and look at the big rectangles? I think it might be easier if you have them in front of you. So go ahead and do that. I want you to identify what's the same about each of those big rectangles. You can talk about it with the people around you. So what's true about all of the large rectangles? How can you prove this? Verify. You confident. So what is true about all of your large rectangles? If they are all rectangles, but also.
I know we are. They all have on these two. No, but these two are out. They all have. Everyone double check each other. They're all the same shape. Yeah, they're all the same shape. They're all the same shape. These two are the same size. Yeah, it like the rectangle is the same size. Girl, it's so thick I can barely see. They're not pretty close.
Okay, Tootsie Roll Lollipop.
Now you're talking, now stop.
Okay. I'm waiting on a few friends, thank you. One of the things that I was hoping that you recognized about the large rectangles was something that I heard this table talking about. Aiden, what did y'all say was true about the large rectangles?
They were all the same size, but they didn't have the same amount of pieces in them.
Okay, so Caden's already kind of answered those first two questions for me. He says he noticed that the large rectangles were all the same size. Give me a thumbs up if your table talked about that. I saw that at most of my tables. That the rectangles are the same size. I saw people holding them up to the light to make sure that those solid lines lined up exactly. Caden's also identified that what's different about the large rectangles is that they're broken into different size pieces. Do we recognize that? All right. The third question that I want us to discuss is what is the same or different about these smaller pieces? So this smaller piece, how is this the same or different than that smaller piece? I want you to share with me. What do you notice about the size of those pieces? Caroline?
Well, they're just like cut up and small. Like, if you look at that one and that one, they're just like...
Instead of saying that one and that one, because I don't know which one you're pointing to, can you call it like the one that's broken into 8s? Or the one that's broken into 12? Can you help me so I know which one you're talking about?
Well, I was talking about
Okay.
those. But if you look, the one, the 8,
This one?
it's not as cut as the one as the 12.
So this one, these pieces are larger than these pieces? Okay, so we could say that 1/8 is actually greater than 1/12 because those pieces.